We got a Craftsman Weedtrimmer 22-inch. It's not wanting to start. We're going to tear this thing open and see what we can figure out. Okay, we're going to start out taking out a bolt here, take this off. And there's a bolt right here. Take off your air filter housing. Let's get that out of the way. Set that over here. Then we'll have 2 bolts here, and it looks like a bolt here. We'll take this shroud off. Okay, where I'm at now is after taking off that shroud, there's a fuel line here I popped off of the side of this. I pinched it with some vice grips. There's a couple bolts to hold on this carburetor. Undo those bolts. I think they're 3/8. And then you have to undo this little metal piece here from this hole on the top of this carburetor, and that'll free up this carburetor to where you can open it up and clean it out.